Welcome. In this video, I will show you the best way to fix your iPhone 17 battery drain issue. So the key tip for saving your device's battery is simply enabling the low power mode, which is a simple yet very complex solution which will all at once disable background activity on your smartphone. It will disable some background features. It will disable the refresh. It will reduce the refresh rate of your smartphone. It will turn off 5G features. It will also slightly dim your screen and reduce the brightness, and therefore reduce the display use. All that you have to do is just open your settings, go to the battery menu, then find power mode here and switch it on by tapping on this toggle. After that, after you do that, your device's battery will last a lot longer. But you can still manually adjust your smartphone. To do that, you're gonna have to first check your applications and check which ones use the most battery on your phone. Then you can turn off the background refresh for them, and therefore they will not consume your device's resources in the background. To do that, you're just gonna have to go to settings, open general, and then I'll go to background app refresh, and here you can disable a background app refresh for all the applications basically that you have on your smartphone. Just do not do that for applications that you feel are critical for you every day. So some messengers from which you want to receive notifications immediately, do not disable background app refresh for them. By the way, you can also adjust the background app refresh type. You can select either Wi-Fi to reduce stop using cellular data for background app refreshing, or you can disable background app refresh at all completely. It is also what low power mode does, but this way there is a chance, it increases the chance that you will not receive your notifications on time. So if you need to receive some notifications immediately, if there are some important notifications that important to you at the in the moment, then do not enable this feature fully. Instead, just disable background app refresh for some key apps that you have here. Now, the next thing that you can do to reduce your battery drain speed is go back to settings and find display and brightness settings here. Now, first of all, you can use the dark mode to reduce your display use, to reduce your display resources use. Basically, the dark mode will use less of your display for showing you the images, the videos, and basically everything. So therefore, it will use a lot less power this way. You can also just enable automatic dark mode, so that the dark mode will be enabled at the night, during the night time, when it's most appropriate. But you can use dark mode just like all the time, and it's also a great solution to your issue. Then you can also manually reduce the brightness of your smartphone by moving the slider. You can enable True Tone if you want to, or if you disable the True Tone, it will slightly reduce the resource usage, but True Tone is not that significant. Besides, change the auto lock value to the lowest one, so 30 seconds, and disable raise to wake feature, so that your phone doesn't detect your any motions 24/7, and disable always on display feature. So besides the additional things that you have to know about are updating your iOS regularly. To check for an update, just go to General section, go to Software Update, and check if there is some update prepared for you. Just select Update Tonight and let your TV update, download and install an update overnight. Or update your phone right now if you want to. Also, check the apps section in your settings. Go to App Store settings and enable automatic updates to keep your applications up to date. This will also optimize your device for power efficiency, as the app developers often release new versions of their apps which are more optimized each time. And also in battery menu, check the charging feature. You can set the charging limit for your device if you update with a certain schedule, or if you charge your device with a certain schedule, then enable optimized battery charging, which will basically adapt to the way that you charge your iPhone, and it will quickly charge it to 80%, and then it will slow down and download it to 100% by the time you usually pick up your smartphone, to not keep it overcharged during night, for example. But if you don't have a certain schedule, it's better if you use the charge limit. So just limit your charging to 90%. This way you will not keep your smartphone overcharged at all. And yeah, that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.